Hey, I'm Rebecca Lane. I'm a mother, an artist, a therapeutic art guide, and the creative heart behind Breathe People. I believe that creativity has the power to connect us deeply with ourselves and each other. But more than that, I see it as a quiet rebellion, a way to push back against the constant noise of our tech-driven world and reclaim authentic experiences that truly matter. In a world filled with endless notifications, packed schedules, and constant distractions, it is really easy to feel drained and disconnected. And I feel it too, that deep need to unplug, to find clarity, and reconnect with something real. For me, art has always been a lifeline. It's grounded me through traumas and challenges, helping me to slow down, to breathe deeper, and to rediscover the parts of myself that I thought I'd lost. And now, my mission is to share that experience with you, helping you to connect with your creativity. That's why I created Breathe People's Meditative Art Kits, to make the experience of creativity accessible to everyone, no matter the skill level. I've designed these beginner-friendly kits to offer a calming escape from the noise, with tools and guidance to help you to unwind, to reflect, and to fully enjoy being in the moment. Now, whether you're seeking a purely creative experience or a deeper journey with meditations and journaling prompts, I've included everything you need for a complete and fulfilling experience. Now, these kits are really close to my heart, and I've made sure that they're perfect for solo creating, for sharing with a loved one, or even enjoying in a group, because I believe that there's something here for everyone. So let's rebel against that outside chaos. Let's unplug and embrace the grounding power of creativity. I'm looking forward to being a part of your creative journey.